I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've had a dispute with DoorDash and your earnings are locked, follow these steps to get them unlocked. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Navigate to the DoorDash app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Dasher account to access your earnings and dispute information. Step 2. Go to the Earnings tab. Once in the app, tap on the Earnings tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can view your current earnings and any disputes that may be affecting them. Step 3. Check for active disputes. Look for any active disputes listed in the Earnings section. If you see a dispute, tap on it to view the details and understand why your earnings are locked. Step 4. Provide required information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshro.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick gotcha! Make sure to double check the delivery date and order number to avoid any errors when submitting your information. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting the required information, wait for DoorDash to review your case. You should receive a notification once your dispute is resolved and your earnings are unlocked. I hope this helps you get your earnings unlocked quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out.